with his heart melting, Anubhav, his voice choking, his hair standing on end, and tears flowing, quickly attains direct service to the lotus feet of Sri Radhika Madhav. Of course, if these are the prerequisites, you've already attained the loving service. As you read these, and you read these while experiencing Asta Sattvic Bhavs, or at least 3 of them. This trembling, the hair standing on end, or how many? There's 4 of them, 3 or 4 of them. Choked voice, Romancha Kampa Sutranga Bhaju. Choked voice, hair standing on end, and tears flowing, and heart melting. This melting of the heart is called Mashishnu. This is one of the symptoms at the level of Bhava, I believe. Sri Krishna Karshati and Mashishnu, then Sanjanatma Visheshatma, and Sri Krishna Sankarshini. So at the level of prema, there are 6 characteristics of pure devotional service. So at the level of prema, it's Sri Krishna Sankarshini and Sanjanatma Visheshatma. That you experience it. You attract Krishna. You attract Krishna and control Krishna by your love, by your prema, at prema level. Krishna prema. And then you Chandra Atma Visheshatma. Your Atma becomes, Chandra means concentrated, very special Chandra Ananda, very special bliss you experience. But at the level of Bhava, there's 2 symptoms of the 6 symptoms of pure devotional service. This is a nectar devotion. And that one of them is Hridya Mashishnu. Your heart becomes melted. It becomes very soft. Your heart becomes very soft when you're full of Bhava. Become a softie. People say, oh, he's a softie. He's not a hard nut. He's a softie. But it's a different kind of softening. It means soft for the service of Krishna, but hard for the service of Maya. You don't have any affection for Maya any longer. All your affection and attachment is for Krishna, the person, Supreme Person.